That's not you flicking your thumb. It's just.
That's me because it's stopped. See?
That's weird.
You worked it out, dude. Now you're back on the payroll, and I'm the one pushing.
They were really camouflaged because I just thought it was just a tree stump.
There's excitement in the air. There's hair and drool spilling out and a glimmer as they stare. Hounds around the fence and doors, they're loving on their groove. The wolf driver's looking for another trail.
Wow, this is cool, man. Glad it's still light so we can get this on our cameras. I almost got the bike. Let's just see. Take chase off. Well,
Canines of the wolf driver and they roll them all around. Sights are up past the packets, so call no hassle, just their need.
We hear you. I just got shocked by the battery. Just got shocked by the battery. Not too bad.
Trail mate with a dragon leading you. Cold on the trail mate, dogs know what they should do with you. That's how we live.
yeah, but Red just solved one. He just popped the hell gate off.
10 for that. I'll hustle up. I'll hustle up.
Some stylish hyper plans to roam and ride on the rig wolf driver runs and lives to roam. As something with a blast just comes and glares into our souls, and it's cold on the trail mate with the wild wolf driver crew. Cold on the trail mate.
Dude, you got so close to that tree. You just went.
Did you not see it? Trail's awesome though. That's a cool shot of the river, man. Just beautiful. Does look a little muddy though.
I was watching one where they got a baby one now. A baby cub that got into their, it was in Alaska. Now, I thought it looked a little bit downhill, but it's not.
There's our love and flight, there's our burning mind, it's our instinct and our power. There's a wolf driver with our rolling rigs, riding wolf tunes in its extra hours. On the park trails we take,
That's kind of wild.
Wolf driver complies with all the laws.
I have no brakes.
Let me bring the drone back and I'll show you.
Oh, maybe it was a rail house.
It's how we live.
Yeah.
How we live now.
It's just starting. The motor's just starting to get a little better.
It says to the left, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
We're almost at the gate now. I mean, at the road sign, whatever it is.
Look at this old brick building.
That looks new. Careful, tree. Motor's working a little better, just a little bit. Yeah, it's